We're here in my garage and I'm diagnosing my 1986 Maxim X. We thought it was firing on a couple but not all cylinders, and we were correct. When I removed the spark plug on cylinder 1, I noticed that the boot had come completely detached from that wire. So now I'm in the position of, do I fix it and replace the entire wire set? Well, for the meantime, I'm going to have to fix it, get myself back on the road, and then acquire a set of wires somewhere down the line. It's not beyond fixing. Also, 2 of my 4 spark plugs were fouled out, so we're in the midst of replacing that. For a with 43,590 miles on it, I'd say it's in pretty good shape. I bought it for a couple $100, rode it for a couple thousand miles before this was the first real issue. But I'll be doing a part 2 video as I install the new spark plugs and my brother and I fix this wire. Let's take a walk over here. This is where it separated from the boot. But luckily we could strip the wire down, put it back in there, and re-crimp it. And hopefully that'll give us enough spark. If it doesn't, I'm going to completely replace the unit. We also had an issue on cylinder 3. Spark plugs fouled out, so it's wet with gas. So I'm just replacing all the spark plugs. I just did an oil change and a fuel filter change, so I don't have to worry about that. Always put an inline fuel filter between your gas tank and your carburetors. It'll save you a lot of BS in the long run. I will be posting a lot more videos to my YouTube channel here about that. As you can see, I had to remove the choke cable. It seized and broke and got stuck at half choke, so I had to completely remove that and free the choke mechanism here before I could get back on the road and even get it home. So that'll be another video installing that. As you can see, the wiring harness is in pretty fair shape. So is the motor. I will get back to you guys with a part 2 video shortly.